I am Nuwan sir. In this video, you are going to learn what are the significance of learning statistic. Learning statistic. A learning statistic has several significance benefits and applications across various fields. Here are some of the key significance of learning statistic. First one, data analysis. Statistic is essential for analyzing and interpreting data. It provides the tools and techniques to make sense of complex data set, identify patterns, trends, and relationships. Also, and drawing meaningful conclusions. Decision making. Statistic aids in informed decision making, whether in business, healthcare, social sciences, or other domains. Statistical analysis helps decision makers base their choice on data driven evidence rather than intuition alone. Next, research and science. In scientific research, statistics is crucial for designing experiments, collecting and analyzing data, and drawing valid conclusions. It ensures that research findings are reliable and replicable. Quality control. In manufacturing and industry, statistics are used to quality control and process improvement. Statistical process control methods like control chart and acceptance sampling method help monitor and maintain product quality. Epidemiology. Statistics plays a crucial, critical role in epidemiology, where it is used to analyze disease patterns like COVID-19, dengue, like assess risk factors using the categorical analysis and guide public health intervention. Next, predictive modeling. Statistical techniques such as regression analysis and series modeling, machine learning are used for building predictive models. These models can forecast future trends, make predictions, and inform strategies. Finance and economics. Statistical analysis is essential in financial market, portfolio management, risk assessment, and economic forecast. It helps investors make informed decisions and policymakers formulate economic policies. Market research. In marketing, statistics are used to gather and analyze customer data, consumer data, conduct market research, and make strategic marketing decisions. Environmental science. Environmental scientists use statistics to analyze environmental data, monitor changes in ecosystems, and assess the impact of human activities on the environment. Education. Educational researchers and policymakers use statistics to evaluate educational programs, assess student performance, and inform curriculum development. Social sciences. Statistics are used extensively in fields like sociology, psychology, political science, like to study human behavior, conduct surveys, and draw generalizable conclusions about population. The one is sport analytics. Statistics are used in sport analytics also to analyze the player performance, make game strategy decisions, and evaluate team player strength and weaknesses. Medical research. In medical research, the statistics are crucial for conducting clinical trials, assessing the effectiveness of treatment, and identify the risk factors for disease. Policy analysis. Government and policymakers use statistical data to inform policy decisions, track progress, and assess the impact of policies on society. One, social justice and equity. Statistics can highlight disparities and inequalities in society. You see that the tools, using statistical tools, helping advocate for social justice and equitable resource allocation. Environmental policy. Statistics play a role in environmental policy decisions, such as setting population limit and assessing the impact of environmental regulations. Finally, personal development. Learning statistics enhances critical thinking and problem solving skills. It equips individuals with the ability to evaluate data and claims critically, which is valuable in everyday life. As a summary, learning statistics is essential for making sense of data, conducting research, making informed decisions, and addressing complex problems across various domains. It is a foundational skill with application in academia, industry, government, and everyday life. So I think now you have clear understanding that what are the significances of learning statistics. If you are satisfied with my work, hit the like and that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.